Infertility is the one, already you know that the couples are unable to conceive even after the normal coitus continuously 2-3 years without using any contraceptives. The problems infertility concern, it may be to the male or maybe in the females. ಕಳೆದ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ we completed the reasons of infertility in the males. Today we are going the reasons of infertility in the females. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಫಿಮೇಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಫರ್ಟಿಲಿಟಿಗೆ ಏನು ಕಾರಣ ಆಗ್ತದೆ? So many reasons are there. ನಾವು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ ಇನ್ಫರ್ಟಿಲಿಟಿಗೆ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಒಂದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಐಡಿಯಾಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ನ್ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬದಲಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಕಾಲಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೇನಾಗಬೇಕು ಅದು ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ ಇರಬೇಕು ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ, ಇನ್ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ. 24-25 ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಮನೆಯಾಗ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಹಾಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಕ್ಕಪಕ್ಕದವರೆಲ್ಲ, ಲಗ್ನ ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಲಗ್ನ ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಲೇಟ್ ಆದಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್, ಏನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಲೈಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ಇಫ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ಓವರ್, 1 ವರ್ಷ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಏನು ಸುದ್ದಿಲ್ಲನು ದೇ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಪ್ರೆಗ್ನೆನ್ಸಿ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ಇಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅನ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಪ್ರಾಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ರೋಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ. ನಾವು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಶಿಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ ಲಗ್ನ ಆದಮೇಲೆ, ಏನಪ್ಪ ಗಣಪ ಯಾವಾಗ ಇರ್ತೀರಿ ಲೈಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ಇಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್, ಹಾಗೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಎಟ್ ದಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ the couples must be aware if they are in a normal coitus. If they are using contraceptives, no problem. If they are not using contraceptives, at least 1-3 years, if they are not conceiving, definitely they have to take or contact the doctors. Now I will continue here the reasons of infertility in females. One is, that is an anovulation we are saying. Anovulation, that means no formation of corpus luteum. That means beginning to that one, anovulation. Secondary oocyte formation ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ovulation ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. When there is no ovulation, and how the corpus luteum is going to be forming? No chance. So no ovulation, no formation of corpus luteum. When there is no ovulation, the question comes, how pregnancy? Yes, that is the one reason. And the second reason is, that is irregular MC. Already you know that menstrual cycle. That may be disturbed due to the polycystic ovary. Polycystic ovary we are saying, and endometriosis and the stress and etc. I will go for the polycystic ovary here. One more reason is there. I will come, I am going to be explaining that. And I am here endometriosis. Endometriosis is the one, it is failure, or the what we are saying that endometrium, the tissues are going to be forming for the implantation after the pregnancy or after the fertilized egg, that has to be implanted in that layer. But ಆ ಲೇಯರಲ್ಲಿ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಟಿಶ್ಯೂಸ್ ಟಿಶ್ಯೂಸ್ಗಳ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಂಡೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಯೋಸಿಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫೇಲ್ಯೂರ್. ಯಾಕೆ ಫೇಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ? ಎಂಡೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಯೋಸಿಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಎಂಡೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಯೋಸಿಸ್ ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ and it causes the irregular MCC. ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಲ್ ಸೈಕಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಟು ಟೈಮ್ MC ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, and that leads to, that means there is no chance of pregnancy or the fertilization. And one more reason we are observing here, the fertilization and implantation failure. ಎಂಡೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಯೋಸಿಸ್ ಆದಾಗ ಈ ಫರ್ಟಿಲೈಜೇಷನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಇಂಪ್ಲಾಂಟೇಷನ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಫೇಲ್ಯೂರ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Pregnancy that includes ovulation, the fertilization and the implantation, then the pregnancy is the successful. otherwise no. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ it is due to endometrial damage, or sometimes if they are suffering from some other diseases and continuously they are using the drugs, so that damages the, or that fails the implantation of that fertilized egg. That is also one more reason, hence there is no pregnancy. And very you know well how much these are useful. One is LH, luteinizing hormone, and the follicle stimulating hormone. These are not secreted properly, so we are saying it's called the gonadotrophin deficiency. If these hormones, secretion of these hormones is very least, the less amount, 100%, there is no chance of pregnancy, so that causes the infertility. And one more most interesting one is an ectopic pregnancy. We are saying ectopic pregnancy. What it means, ectopic pregnancy? So that embryo implants outside the uterus. Uterus ಒಳಗಡೆಗೆ, as you know that this is the uterus. ಈ uterus ಒಳಗಡೆಗೆ implantation ಆದಾಗ, if it's implants here in the fallopian tube ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ implantation ಆಯಿತು, that's outside the uterus. The implantation takes place, we say it is called as an ectopic pregnancy. So that damages the fallopian tube and huge pain is there, and there is no chance of pregnancy. That continuation of that pregnancy is very difficult. We are saying it is called an ectopic pregnancy. That is also one more reason. And polycystic ovary is the one. So that means ovary alli ಹೊರಗಡೆ small ಏನಂದ್ರೆ gland types ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. So this presence of multiple cysts over the ovaries, ovary peripheral is in the ಗಂಟು ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ, and that causes the improper release of, or that checks the formation of secondary oocyte. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ definitely that is also one more reason that causes the infertility. ಅದು infertility ಕಾರಣ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Quite common, there is a blockage of fallopian tube. fallopian tube egg ಬರಬೇಕು, sperm entry ಆಗಬೇಕು, fertilization ಆಗಬೇಕು. fallopian tube ಅಲ್ಲೇ blockage ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, so it is very difficult due to inflammation. So we are saying the salpingitis ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, it is an infection of the bacteria, the microorganisms. So then conjunctional tubule obstruction, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಟ್ಯೂಬಲ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲೇ ಗಂಟಾಗಿ ಬ್ಲಾಕೇಜ್ ಆಗುವುದನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. So that leads the infertility. That is the blockage of fallopian tube. And one more, that is the vaginal or the cervical infection. We are saying that ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೀರಿಯಾ ಅಥವಾ ಫಂಗಲ್ ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗೋದ್ರ ಮೂಲಕ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಫರ್ಟಿಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, and that leads the infertility. These are the reasons: anovulation, irregular MC, fertilization and implantation failure, that is gonadotrophin hormones secretion that becomes a deficiency, ectopic pregnancy, polycystic ovaries, the blockage of fallopian tube, vaginal and cervical infections. These are all the reasons those causes the infertility in the females. So that the females are very well aware about all these things. If there is any doubts concerned to these factors, you have to contact the doctors. Okay, we continue.